Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Agazie, CharlidPhotos here. So here's the thing. Over the years, I've realized that most graphics and web designers are broke. Yeah, they're really broke. So my aim is quite simple. To create quality content that can help you become the best designer you can be. So I'll be sharing a lot of comprehensive and quality tutorials, free resources and templates, and also not just graphics and web designing videos alone. I'll be sharing a lot of digital marketing skills, content creation, internet walkthroughs, and also I'll be showing you the various lucrative ways you can make money as a graphic designer and web designer. So sit back, the channel is for you and I. Enjoy the content, subscribe, like the video, and we'll see in the comment section below. Thank you.